One question always comes in mind: can we cancel our Blue Willow subscription? Answer is yes, you can cancel your Blue Willow subscription at any time. In this video, we are going to tell you how you can cancel your Blue Willow subscription via email, online, and over the phone, in just some easy steps. All important links we will provide you in our video description box. Method 1. How can you cancel Blue Willow AI subscription? Go to your Stripe confirmation email. Click on the cancellation link on that email. After clicking that link, you will be directed to the Manage Subscriptions page. From that, click on the Cancel My Plan button. Review your plan summary and move forward with the cancellation. With this, your subscription will be canceled. You will see a Renew Plan button on the page, in case you wish to renew your plan again in the future. One more question comes in mind, that is, how to downgrade the Blue Willow subscription. If you want to downgrade your Blue Willow subscription, then follow these steps. Click on the link available in the Stripe receipt to change your Blue Willow plan. You can use the /subscribe command also. With these methods, you will be directed to the Stripe portal page. Click on the Downgrade Plan button on that page. With this, your subscription plan will be downgraded to the free plan. Hope you like this video. If yes, please hit a like button and don't forget to follow our YouTube channel.